Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off auto factory reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to lock screen. Go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern for authentication and see here one setting auto factory reset and it is turned on. Okay, that what's the meaning of it? After 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. That means if you put if you put incorrect pattern up to 20 times, your phone will be automatically reset and all data will be erased. So this is dangerous settings. Suppose someone some other person hold your phone and they don't know surely your pattern to unlock, but if they try to unlock intentionally or unknowingly, then after 20 attempts what will happen? Your phone will be reset and you will lose your important file and download apps. Okay, so you have to keep these settings always turned off. Okay, that's is safe for your phone. By default it is turned off. Okay, by default setting, when you purchase your phone, it will be it will be it will be staying in off position only. Okay, but you have to make sure that it is still it's in off. Okay, because some other person may have used your phone with your permission, or your child may be using your phone, so by accidentally the settings may be turned on. Okay, so every day or every week you have to check the settings and keep it turned off. Okay, that's the very safe. Okay, even some other person or your child or whatever may be happen to your phone to unlock. Okay, your phone to unlock by wrong attempts. Okay, so it will keep your phone keep your files and photos and other things that may be saved. Okay, just to turn off it, otherwise automatically factory reset will be done. Okay, so be careful. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.